Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I have this 2003 BMW with the V8. I believe is the 4.2 engine. I don't know, but it's the V8. But let's get straight to the point. This car has issues with the air injection valves. Actually, what happens? It has two injection valves on the back over there. We're gonna remove all this and we're gonna try to clean the injection valves so it can pass smog, because once you drive the car it gets the coats that I'm gonna put right here in a little bit. I'm gonna leave what coats I'm getting, and to do that you need a special tool, which is this one. This is the AGA tools number. What is it? Where's the tool number? Should be right here. That's the tool number. And we're gonna use this pipe with these brushes. The way it's gonna work, we're gonna put this pipe behind like this in the injection tube, and we're gonna clean it as much as we can with these brushes. Yep, there's an easy way. I mean, this is the easiest way to do it. Otherwise, if you have the engine outside, it's better if you do it before installing the engine, because these cars have a lot of problems with that. And this car only has 100,000 miles. It doesn't have that much, but that's when you start seeing these problems around 80,000 miles and 100,000 miles. That's when you start getting the codes for this car for the air injection, saying that it's having performance issues with it. But yeah, we're gonna take off all this in 3, 2, 1. And as we can see here, guys, I have the intake already removed. And if you remove the intake, always replace the gasket, check for any cracks, and don't let anything fall into the cylinder holes. And right now I'm gonna show you the injection valves. They go behind the engine, way up there, right there and right there. And I was getting a code for the secondary air injection that was really low on efficiency, and I was doing some digging and I found that the tube was broken. Actually, I broke this when I took it off, but this thing was broken here. I don't know if you can see the crack right there, and all the air was escaping through here, and it was just not enough pressure to deliver the air to the other side. And I use, the way I found it, I use a smoke machine. I put smoke on this end, and obviously I took off the intake because it's easier. And also I cleaned all the duct that goes behind all the way to the cylinder head. There's a special tool that you can use to clean that, and I'll leave the link in the description so you can find the tool. It was around 300 bucks, and it works really well because you have to clean all that. And also I'll leave a video right here where I took a video with a small camera that I have, and you can see everything before and after I cleaned it. And this tool works amazing. It's just really simple. It's a tube that you put, you have to remove the injection valve and the tube that goes behind as well. And it's easier if you remove the intake. And also you can check this tube if it's cracked or something, because this job at the dealership, it's actually like $6,000, and obviously you don't want to pay that much money. And to the customer that we have here, we're only charging him 900 bucks to do all this job, including putting the hose and everything, and that's the only issue that the car has. It won't pass smog. It only has the air injection system not efficient. But once we cleaned all that and install the tube and everything back together, I'm gonna test drive it and confirm that the issue is gone. And I've been driving the car for some time, and the quickest way to put the car ready for smoke is driving the car without the AC. That makes the process much faster. And to show you that I've almost completed the drive cycle in this car, I'm gonna show you. Completed all of them. That one with the cross test not supported, but it's not what it needs. It still has to pass the evap system, but at this point the car already passes smog, and we already took it to smog and the car passes smog, so it's a good thing. And there's no codes anymore about the air injection valves. Everything's gone. I installed the tube in the middle that goes to the injection valves. I also cleaned the path, the tube that goes behind the valves, and they go to the cylinder block. I cleaned that, and that will be pretty much it, guys. This is how you fix the code for the air injection system in this 2003 BMW 750li, and it applies for a lot of cars like this that has this V8 engine. It applies for pretty much all of them, and I've seen the newest ones having the same problem with injection valves. I hope you like this video, guys. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the like, and see you next time. Bye.